Well, quite a rare piece of china, this lidded round serving tureen made by Copeland Spode, more accurately Spode, during this period. Dates from around mid-1950s. This hasn't actually got a date stamp impressed into the base, but it's come with a set that has a lot of flatware with April 54 date stamps impressed onto it. It's a beautifully moulded thing. The detail in the handles on this lidded tureen is really the outstanding feature. Just look at these rope moulded handles welded onto the side in this leaf design, and then the decorators have picked up the ribbon bindings around the handles all the way around in that red magenta colour, and that's picked up again and repeated on the lid handle, which again's got this intricate leaf design, twisted rope, and then the ribbons holding it all together. And then again, so beautifully and widely decorated in the Ellesmere design, with this Warwick vase and all the floral arrangements coming around it. Quite a plain interior on the tureen, nice and clean for a 1950s tureen. Very nice unstained inner, and there is the Copeland Spode Ellesmere England. This one hasn't got the decorator's marks on it, with the pattern reference from memory is 2468. This is size 10, and then you can just make out here partial impress Copeland Spode crown impress mark on it. A lovely thing. We've got some tureens coming through in Ellesmere that are going on sale as well, and some flatware dinner plates, dessert plates, salad plates, and sides. It's just a lovely period English design and in very fine condition. Just the one lidded tureen. There was another one without handles, just a serving bowl with a lid, but they were both damaged, cracked through in the base of the tureen, and the lid had an under rim chip. So that one, I'm afraid, has not made it through to the retail side. It's not in good enough condition, we feel, to warrant its further sale. So just this unique lidded handled tureen going on sale, and all the measurements, dimensions and costs will be on the website listing. We'll try and put a pictorial link in our YouTube video description that you can click on, that will take you directly through for all the information to assist you in whether this is the right tureen for your collection. Thanks for watching.